India and the world have started unlocking themselves, now it's time that we also unlock our learning. After interacting with so many students, I have realized that most of the students have started facing difficulties how to restart their learning, how to come on routine. So today, I'm going to discuss with you 5 tips that can help you unlock your learning post-lockdown. So let us begin and make a difference. Friends, the first step to the learning is reassessment. Believe me friends, this is the most important part. It is always better that after a big break, you start reassessment of yourself. What are your strength areas, your weakness area, your interest and your learning habits? Start with a subject that you are interested in, your strength area. For example, I am a mathematics lover, I love aptitude, so I will start with aptitude. If you love engineering subject, start with the engineering subject. But start with the subject that you are interested in, so that you does not lose hope and regain the confidence. The most important part is your learning habits. Always stick to a schedule that you are comfortable with and you feel happy studying. For example, I am a morning lover, I start learning during my morning hours. Most of the students are also comfortable during the evening time or during the night time. But stick with the schedule that is comfortable with you and you enjoy learning that time. So once you are confident enough after reassessment, let us go to the second step of learning. Friends, the second step to unlock your learning is to regrow. I always suggest students to start slowly and gradually increase their working hours. For example, if I am studying today for 1 hour, stick to that 1 hour for a few days and then go for 2 hours and then gradually to 3 hours and then to a normal routine of study hours. Don't stretch yourself at the beginning, because if you try to stretch yourself in the beginning, you will lose hope and confidence in the learning process. You are not very far behind your colleagues at the start, just it is a matter of few days that you will come back to your routine learning habits if you follow this second step of learning. Now let us see the third step of learning. Friends, the next step to unlock your learning is to retouch. I always suggest students that start with your basic concepts again. After a big break, it is very much necessary that you go back to your foundation and start revising the concept. Don't rote learn friends, try to understand the concept. Once you understand the concept, you will surely gain confidence. Again, start solving problems daily. It may be multiple choice questions or maybe other kinds of questions. Get involved in groups and discussion forums so that you start interacting with your friends and again develop the interest area in your subject and learning. So I hope you will retouch again and then move forward to the next step of learning. Friends, once you follow the first 3 steps, surely you will develop self-confidence that you can do it better. Forget the past, work in your present, and that will only develop your future. Don't think of the things that have gone wrong, think of the things that have made you a better person. That will only develop confidence in you. Think that this is your second innings and you are going to play the second innings smartly and happily. So this will only develop and regain your strength again. And finally, it's time to restart again. Be positive, stay calm and always believe in yourself. Just stay on track. I always suggest do one thing at a time and not all together. Believe me, if you follow these 5 basic steps, surely you will come back strong and even better. With this hope, let us unlock ourselves and unlock our learning again and restart in our life. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Happy learning and make a difference.